Hey there, YouTubers. Well, I got a wild hare today and decided to throw the tent and the kayak in the truck and headed over here to Lake Monroe, see if I can catch something. I'm going to shoot for walleye, but I'll take anything. Just good to get away. Hopefully the storms will stay away. Now I'm just out here. I got a couple jigs and with crawlers on them out here, just doing a little slow trolling. Nothing bites, I'll just go start a fire and drink some beer. What's wrong with that? Yep. Got something on here. Catfish. Lots of those in here. Wrapped up. Good eating size, but tain't what I'm looking for. Well, something's making them jump. Woohoo, doggies! Tell you what, I had a couple of those big bass boats fly by me out there on the big water, and the feel-free kayak handled it like a champ. Got something on it, feels like a monster. Woo! One of them big Lake Monroe crappie. Hey, at least I haven't got skunked out here on the yak. Yeah, I was going to have that corn for breakfast. Well, today I'm going to fish up here north of the causeway where it's no wake zone and stay out of the boat traffic a little bit. Well, I'm taking a break from paddling. I just had my first bite of the day. Didn't feel very big, whatever it was, but I missed it. I caught a stick. Two doggies. The usual. I don't know what it is about these Lake Monroe cats, but they will get you. Fiddler cat. Hey, the skunk is off. Well, I'm going to change it up a little bit. I was dragging around jigs with crawlers all morning. I got about a mile and a half, 2 miles back to the truck. I'm just going to troll some crankbaits. See if anything will happen. I don't know. Whew, it's a lot easier coming. I got the wind right in my face now. Truck along at 2 miles an hour. Well, I'm only about a quarter mile from the truck. That's the good news. Bad news, not a bite. I was gonna change crankbaits and go down to the causeway and back. My arm's about to fall off.